Get debt-free with low income. Smartest and easy way. Many people want to get out of debt but find themselves overwhelmed. Are you one of them? Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Figuring out how to get out of debt on a low income is no easy feat, but with few ways you can tackle it. Here are some of them. Stop taking on new debt. One of the most important things you can do to get debt-free is to stop taking on new debt. That might sound obvious, but it's amazing how many people continue to incur new debt even as they're struggling to pay off existing debts. One of the main reasons for this is that many people simply don't have a good understanding of their financial situation. They may not realize how much debt they already have, or they may underestimate the interest rates they're paying on their debts. As a result, they may unwittingly fall into a debt trap, where they keep incurring new debts to try to pay off old ones. If you're serious about getting debt-free, it's essential that you take a close look at your finances and make a commitment to stop taking on new debt. Once you've done that, you can focus on working your way out of the debt you already have. There are many different strategies for doing this, and the best one for you will depend on your individual circumstances. But by taking this important first step, you'll be well on your way to becoming debt-free. Determine how much money you owe. One of the most important steps of getting out of debt is to take a close look at how much you actually owe. This may seem like a daunting task, but it's essential to develop a plan to pay off your debts. Start by making a list of all of your debts, including the creditor, the balance, and the interest rates. Once you have a clear picture of your outstanding obligations, you can begin to develop a strategy for paying them off. Create a budget. If you're struggling to get out of debt, one of the best things you can do is to create a budget. This will help you see where your money is going and where you can cut back. When you're on a tight budget, every dollar counts, so be sure to track all of your expenses. Once you have a good understanding of your spending patterns, you can start making changes to free up some cash. If you need help getting started, there are plenty of online resources and budgeting tools that can help. With a little effort and discipline, you can get your finances under control and start working your way towards a debt-free future. Pay off the smallest debts first. One of the quickest ways to get out of debt is to focus on paying off your smallest debts first. By doing this, you'll be able to quickly pay off one debt, which will free up more money to put towards paying off your other debts. This snowball effect can help you to quickly get out of debt, even if you have a low income. Additionally, by focusing on paying off your smallest debts first, you'll be able to build up momentum and motivation to keep working towards becoming debt-free. So if you're looking for a way to get out of debt, consider focusing on paying off your smallest debts first. Find more ways to earn money. One way is to find additional sources of income. This could include taking on a part-time job, starting a side hustle, or selling items that are no longer needed. While it may not be easy, making these changes can free up enough money to start making headway on debt payments. With some patience and perseverance, it is possible to get out of debt even on a low income. Even if you only increase your income for a short period, the extra funds you earn could help you get out of debt much faster. With this, we would like to end our video with the hope that you liked and enjoyed it. If you like our content, make sure that you like our video. And also do share your reviews and opinions with us in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel to receive regular videos from us, and don't forget to click the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.